Good morning, and thanks for taking a few minutes of your very important time to watch this short video. We're looking at what can we do to assist to help any agent like yourself that has the goal, the purpose, the objective to improve productivity, and hopefully through some of the classes and seminars we offer. This short video, I want to explain to you very briefly about a program we call the Complete Listing Workshop. Now, in this workshop, it's 3 days. We cover a variety of important topics regarding listing property, including the mindset of a strong listing agent, and more importantly, how do you develop that strong mindset to be a great listing agent? Listing properties is a very difficult thing to do and a very productive and profitable thing to do. Second, a complete breakdown of how the listing process works in detail, so you know step by step what you have to do. And third, how do we get 7 out of every 10 sellers to sign a contract with you versus somebody else? All of our well-trained agents get 7 out of 10. NAR says the average is 2.5 out of 10. We need to move you up the scale to become more productive. Now, in addition, we're going to answer during our 3 days together a series of very important questions. Question A, how does the seller actually select an agent? And I'm going to go through with you 14 different answers to this question. B, what services does the seller really want from an agent? We're going to cover and look at 12 different services that a seller would like to have from you to make sure that home is sold. Third, or letter C, assuming, and I'm assuming that personal power, your ability to be strong and present during a presentation, can be a defining reason why a seller would choose you versus somebody else. We're going to give you 15 different methods of creating personal power, all of which can help you become a better real estate agent. D, specific characteristics that all great listing agents have. I've been doing this 42 years. I've been very fortunate to be around a lot of the best agents. We're going to identify 9 important characteristics of a great agent. And then there are specific things you can do starting today to become a strong listing agent. We're going to identify 12 of those for you. And I think most agents would agree that if you learn the Mike Ferry listing process, and although at times you're not going to agree with everything we ask you to do, as you learn it and apply it, you're going to see that that process is going to help you become a much better agent. In addition to the 3 days, we give you a 100-page pre-printed workbook with all the scripts and dialogues. It's a fill in the blanks. You're not spending all day writing. We want you to be part of this workshop. The cost, $325 per person. If your broker is part of our EMG program, the cost is $195 per person. It's a pretty substantial savings. To register, call 1-800-448-0647. Look forward to having you sometime in 2018 at the Complete Listing Workshop. Look forward to seeing you there. Thanks for your time today.